What is up guys, it's Sean here again, and today I'll be bringing you guys another unboxing, and this time it's gonna be the new Samsung Galaxy Flip 5. So this was just announced last week and I was one of the people who pre-ordered it on time and I just received it today. I actually had to go to the Samsung store to pick it up, and I got the mint color as this looked very attractive to me. It also comes in black color, cream, and lavender as well. So yeah. So we're gonna go ahead and unbox this up, and then we're gonna do the first time boot up. We're gonna do the performance test and see if it can handle some games as well or not. And yeah, let's go ahead and unbox this up. Alright, so here it is, the Galaxy Flip 5 in mint color. I really like this box in all black color. And it says, shows the specs here. Well, no, actually just says what it contains in the box and nothing important. And let's see what else it says. Just Galaxy Flip 5, some serial numbers over here, and yeah, it's gonna be it. So let's go ahead and unbox this up. So they're actually, oh, the box seals are just like Apple's box seals now. Wow. But yeah, this is better than the wrap, the plastic wrap that they used to put on before. So yeah, let's go ahead and open this up. Okay, fold this. Alright, let's open this up. So here's the phone itself, all wrapped up in this plastic cover. I'm gonna put this aside for just a second. I can see the mint color here, steel finish, or I don't know if it's plastic or steel. And wait, I think it's everything else is gonna be in here. So yeah, no charger. I think they're just gonna include a cable in here. So there's a SIM ejector tool, the USB-C to C cable, and a quick start guide and terms and conditions. So this is a SIM-free version, so it's factory unlocked. So that's why it gets the SIM ejector tool with it. And also, this is the 512 GB version. This back in. Let's put this aside. Okay, so let's get to the phone. And yeah, wow, it looks very narrow. I can already tell that. Let's go ahead and pull this plastic off. Oh, I don't want to tear it. Is there like another tab here? Oh, it's right here. Just pull this. It's a sticker, kind of like a sticker. And awesome. Here's the phone itself. And wow, this is beautiful. I'm already liking this color. I'm loving this color. This mint, light blue, light bluish color. Wow. And the sides look like stainless steel, I would say. Or actually plastic, I'm not sure, I'm gonna check that. But yeah, this looks so nice. Wow. And there's the two cameras, the new display, the bigger display. Let's flip it. I almost forgot that it flips. It looks so nice. Wow. This is the reason people are gonna buy this, because you know, when you flip it, it becomes like half the size of any other phone. And this time they reduced the space between the hinge, as you can see, so it's all flat now. That's why it's even smaller. It looks so good. Wow. This is actually, if someone wants to have carry a secondary phone, this would actually be an awesome secondary phone to carry in your pocket, I would say. Because some people carry two phones with them. So yeah, this is amazing. Let's go ahead and turn this on. Also, as you can see, the crease is not that much visible anymore. I think they're getting better at it. So it just looks like a normal screen, not too much of the crease. Wow, such a nice looking phone. Okay. Let's go ahead and click start. Agree to all. Easy setup with another device. I'm gonna set it up manually for now. Okay, I'm gonna skip the Wi-Fi for now. But actually I'm just gonna, oh wait, it's preparing for a mobile connection? So I think I have to connect it to the internet. Alright, so now it's asking me to select my provider. I'm gonna skip this for now. Copy apps, not now. Alright, more. Okay, I'm gonna click accept. Skip this for now. I'm gonna skip it. Okay, so choose your display preference. I like dark mode, of course. Oh wow, it looks so much better now. You can see the AMOLED screen popping out now. By the way, this is a 6.7-inch display with 120 Hz and HDR10 plus, and also 1750 nits peak brightness. So it's a very nice display. Let's click next. How to take care of your phone. Don't remove the protection film on this main screen. So if you buy this phone, don't take off the protector on the top of the screen. It may look like a screen protector, but it's actually a protective film that they installed from the factory. So if you remove that, it's gonna damage the display. Make sure there's nothing inside the folding. Yeah, we know that. Okay. And it's all set up. Awesome. So like I said, oh wow, look at that graphics. Really good. Okay, I can already tell it's pretty fast and responsive. Let's try closing it and see what the outer display shows. It's showing me the time right now. So I double tap it to wake it up. Oh, so I can just swipe left. Shows me the calendar. I can add weather widgets here. I can add alarms here. It shows me the steps. Oh wow, the outer display is so nice too. I mean, this is also an AMOLED screen, the outer display. And this is going to be a 3.4-inch display on the outside, and it's 306 ppi, Super AMOLED. So just like the main screen, this is also Super AMOLED. That is amazing. Swipe up. Okay. Oh, that takes me home. Wow, that's nice. Try this one. Oh, it's live wallpaper. Amazing. Looks so nice. Wow, look at this display. I'm not sure if you can set up the brightness or change the brightness on the outer display. I'm sure you can. This looks so good. Wow, I'm loving this light wallpaper for the outer display. And yeah, you can add, I think, oh, see more widgets. You can pinch. Nice. Wow, this outer screen is so responsive, and I'm guessing this is 120 Hz too. Wow, amazing. And I think you can add more widgets. Can you? Or maybe that's it. There should be another way to add more widgets. But yeah, and there's a camera button. Let's click on that. So you can use the outer display as a viewfinder to take pictures. That is pretty cool. You can also change the settings for the camera. And then you can click, oh, you can choose portrait mode as well, then video as well. Really good. Now let's get back to the main screen. So this one, like I said, is a 512 GB version. So it comes with 8 gigs of RAM and Adreno 740 GPU. So I'm guessing that that'll be pretty good for gaming because it's the Snapdragon 8 Gen 2, the processor, the main processor. Yeah, so I just learned that it has a aluminum frame. It's armor aluminum, that's what Samsung is calling it. So it's tougher on drops and it's more scratch resistant. So yeah, that's gonna be pretty good. Feels much more rugged and sturdy compared to the previous flip phones that I unboxed. Wow, I'm already loving this phone. Let's check out the camera on this real quick. Gonna take a picture of something real quick. Okay, these are my instant noodles that I eat. Let's take a picture of them. Okay, wow. It looks very sharp. See? Very nice, very good. So the camera system on this, there are two lenses. So one is 12 megapixel f1.8 24mm wide lens. That's, I'm guessing, the main lens that you're going to be using mostly. Then the other lens is 12 megapixel also, but it's the ultra wide f2.2 lens. Yeah, so it's going to be pretty good if you like taking ultra wide photos or taking photos of landscapes outside. It should be pretty good. Let's search for a movie trailer. Let's make sure it's on the highest setting. Choose 2160p. We want it to be as clear and as highest as it can be, graphics wise. Is the brightness a little low or what? That's full. Okay, so now it's zoomed to fill the screen. You can see, wow. Look at this, guys. This looks perfect. Like I said, the screen may be narrow, but it's perfectly fine for viewing videos and even playing games, I'm pretty sure. So you can see that you can perfectly view this video on this. This looks amazing. And you have to see the screen in real life to understand how nice this AMOLED display is. Now this is the reason people are going to get this phone, because they made the outer display bigger, so you don't have to open up the phone every time. You can just use it like this. This is amazing. And look at this weather widget here. So nice. Wow, already loving this phone. That's all I can say. The display on this is so good. Wow. And what I'm really liking about this phone is that it's not that wide. It's so narrow that I can easily hold it in my hand and use it with one hand. I heard a lot of other people complaining about this phone the display not being wide enough and being too narrow, but I'm actually loving this. This is perfect for a one-hand use. And I think it's wide enough for daily use. And yeah, maybe not as wide as the iPhone's display, or some of the other flagship phones, but it's still, I think it's very good size. Yeah, Samsung did a good job here. So let's go ahead and download some games real quick. Okay, let's download Call of Duty. Install. Gonna download Angry Birds. Let's download Asphalt 9. That display is gorgeous. This looks so good. Wow. You have to see this in real life to understand. It's amazing. And it's so small, the phone, you can easily hold it. And it's not that heavy either. Very slim too. Alright. I love this map. It's my absolutely favorite map. Firing range. It's from Black Ops 1. As you guys can see, there's absolutely no lag. of any kind, because it's using the Snapdragon 8 Gen 2, which is superb, just the latest graphics card for Android phones.
Enemy in sight. Target's in sight. Predator missile on standby. On them. We're winning this one.
Yeah, it's so smooth, like absolutely no lag of any kind. Let's get our kill streak real quick. Let's go ahead and try Angry Birds real quick. Alright, let's try Angry Birds. Which is like my age, which is not my exact age. TNT bomb here. Oh man, I'm loving the screen, the display on this phone. The colors are perfect, so nice. Let's try out Asphalt 9 real quick. I just want to play it real quick. So good. Samsung is really good with their displays, man. New Lamborghini. I'm gonna use my sensors or touch controls or touch control. You guys can see this game is extremely smooth as well, just like all the other games. So if you're buying this and you want to play games on this, shouldn't be a problem for you at all, playing graphic heavy games. Finally, very smooth, so I can say. And that's gonna be it for this video, guys. So if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you want to see more videos like this in the future, please subscribe to my channel, because I'll be definitely posting more videos of phones and unboxings. And let me know in the comments below what you think about this phone. Are you going to be getting this or not? And are you going to be choosing this over the Fold 5, or are you going to get the Fold 5 instead? And yeah, I'll be waiting to see your comments. And again, thank you so much for watching this video. And I will see you in the next video.